Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you don't think it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I will share with you how you can travel to Bangkok. Yes, so if this is something that you are interested in, then keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you from the depths of my heart. God bless you real good. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing my videos. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you. If you're watching me for the very first time, please introduce yourself in the comments. Don't forget to also, that's the ritual here, do well to also like this video and share this video with your friends, because in today's video, I'm going to share with you how they will pay for your flight, your accommodation, your fee, your transportation. They'll also assist you with visa. Yes. So if this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And yes, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourself as well. So guys, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week: Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. Make sure that as you're watching this video, introduce yourself in the comments. As you're watching this video, like this video. And as you're watching this video, share this video. Click on the share button. Share this video in your communities. Share it with your friends, your besties, your enemies, your village members, your private members, your church members, and your mosque members. Let us allow this information. Oh yeah, let's go all the way to Bangkok. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go. Don't worry, I'll spill the tea. I'll share with you exactly how you can apply for this opportunity. It's an opportunity of a lifetime. It's better experience than earned. So guys, let's get right into this business. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, have you heard about the United Nations SDG Forum? Yes, Sustainable Development Goals in Bangkok, Thailand. And guess what? It is fully funded. Have you heard that the UN SDGs Forum ensures a comprehensive learning experience with engaging workshops and of course interactive sessions, and they help provide participants a profound understanding of effective strategies for sustainable development and global collaboration. And they focus on empowering individuals, by offering insights into the future of sustainability, on sustainable development and excellence, sustainable development excellence, and essential skills for driving meaningful change towards the 2030 agenda. Now, the forum places a strong emphasis on SDG implementation. They help guide participants to hone their strategic thinking skills, to gain valuable insights into effective sustainable development frameworks, and of course, learn techniques to inspire and motivate others towards transformative goals for achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. A meticulous design to foster cross-cultural collaborations, enhance effective communication, and establish a global network, the forums aims to cultivate a community of compassionate individuals that are committed to creating positive impact worldwide through sustainable development. All you need to do is this: fill out the following application form. The form is going to be in my description to register for the UN SDGs Forum. Provide accurate information to ensure a smooth registration process. Don't go and make mistakes. So, please. The event dates will be on their website. The location is in Bangkok, Thailand. The host country is in Thailand. The location is Bangkok. The duration is 4 days. And here are some of the benefits. It is fully funded. They pay for your flights, yes, to and fro. You can also check out the United Nations website itself, United Nations SDGs Forum in Bangkok. So guys, you already know by now that I'm waiting for you. I'm working hard for you guys. If you want to attend this conference, guys, you just need to just prepare and tell yourself you're going. Just believe that you will go, and you are going. See, not to worry, I have another opportunity for you guys here in the United States. Fully funded conference as well. For now, this period, I'm actually focusing on fully funded conferences that are available. They are closing soon, so please tell your friends, tell a friend. Share this video with your friends and loved ones, your besties, your village members, everybody and anybody that share this video in your church groups, your mosque groups, your parapo members, your neighbors, your besties, your enemies, your village members. Share it with your colleagues, yes, your friends, students. Just share this video. Share this video with your friends and your besties. The fact that you're sharing this video does not reduce your own chance, because I don't know, some people think so small that they feel, oh, if I help other people, if I tell them about this opportunity, I will not get it. That is very untrue. That is the most untrue thing I've heard in a long time. There was an opportunity. I'm telling you this is my personal experience. There was an opportunity I had in 2012, and that opportunity, I didn't even apply myself. I didn't apply for the opportunity, and it was life-changing, honestly, because I felt other people around me needed it more than me. So I helped people to apply for this particular opportunity, and the person in charge was like, no, where is your own application? If you don't submit your application, I was like, no, these people need it more than me. He said, if you don't submit your application, I'll delete all of the applications that you submitted. And I reluctantly submitted it. I submitted mine, and guess what? Only 2 of us with. So you see, the fact that I told other people about it doesn't mean, oh, they will get it and I will lose it. If it's meant for you, you will get it. So if you just do the Lord's work by sharing this video, yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. We here, we are dreamers and we are achievers. We are big thinkers. We don't think small here. We don't have chicken brain. We love to, look out for other people. There is love in sharing. Sharing is caring. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend doesn't mean that you will now be at a disadvantage because you have told others. No, it doesn't work. Life doesn't work like that. If it is your own, if this is your trip, you will get it. You will get it. And I hope I've been able to encourage someone to be more open-minded, to be more giving, to be more, have an open mind, have a large heart. Give. You're not stupid. God in heaven sees your heart and He will reward you accordingly. So go ahead and share this video with your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend, and tell a friend that Miriam has brought it again. In my next video, it's about United States, how you can travel to USA for free. It's also a fully funded conference. And of course, like I said, this season, I'm focusing on fully funded conference. And once I exhaust the list of all of the fully funded conferences, then I'll move back to school, universities that you can travel and, study for free. And if you haven't seen any of those videos, you can also check out my previous video. I shared how you can travel to Bangkok free of charge. I can travel to South Africa free of charge, and different countries. And there's a lot more coming. So make sure that you join the family by subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video on this channel. So guys, if you have any question for me, let me know in the comments, and do not hesitate to, also let me know your thoughts. And if you'd like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, we can discuss all things scholarships, travel, education, and study abroad. Just go ahead and join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership. The link is in my description. You can click on the join button right next to the subscribe button over here. Okay, that join button, click on it, join, and then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. So I see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye for now. I love you all. Bye guys.